Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I learned something today. I can't grab these in any way. They are there because if you hit the F4 key, they show up, but they're not locked. And then I was rereading his email, and he told me that he locked and hit them, but they show up. So I thought, well, let's go to Windows, Dockers, and Objects, and there they are right there. They're locked. I didn't know that you could lock them here and you couldn't unlock them there. So if you unlock them, then you can delete them. So if you ever have anything appear that looks like you can't touch it, you could always, and he even named them. So you could not even see them with the eyeball, bring them back, lock them, or not even print them. So they wouldn't print, but I've never thought about, locking them here. I've always locked here, because to me it's just a little bit easier, but this is something kind of new to me. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.